Jai Gurudev children, today we are going to learn one of the writing skills BioSketch. As you have already done it in lower classes, you know that BioSketch is the sketch of one's life. In order to write a BioSketch, we have to keep certain things in mind, and they are: remember your purpose. You have to focus that which aspect of person's life you are going to emphasize. Next is be concise. Be concise means be very particular and be very relevant. Next is highlight achievements and influences. You have to mention the achievements made by that person. Arrange your information. You are given clues or hints or information related to that person, but you have to arrange them in sequence. Verify your information. You have to verify that information you are writing about that person. Is it verified? Is it true or authentic? Okay. So now let's start a BioSketch of Vishwanathan Anand. Details are given here. His birth is given. Birth details: December 11, 1969 in Tamil Nadu. Nationality: Indian. Hobbies: listening to music, swimming and reading. Instructor: learnt chess from mother at the age of 6. Also known as Vishy or the Tiger of Madras. Marital status: married. Children: a son, means he is having a son. He is married and he is also known as Tiger of Madras. His instructor means he's a teacher. First teacher was his mother. His hobbies, and then here achievements: Arjuna Award he bagged, Chess Oscar and Padma Shri at the age of 18. So how to write BioSketch of Vishwanathan Anand? Let's have a look. Vishwanathan Anand was born on December 11, 1969 in Tamil Nadu. See, we have to arrange the given information in sequence. Obviously, first of all, we will be mentioning his birth. Then, he's an Indian chess player. He learned to play chess from his mother at the age of 6. Anand is fond of listening to music, swimming and reading. He is married and has a son. He is fondly referred to as Vishy or the Tiger of Madras and was awarded the Padma Shri at the young age of 18 years. Besides that, he bagged the Arjuna, Chess Oscar and many more. Children, see, we have not added any extra information. Whatever the information we are provided with, we have to arrange them in sequence and write a paragraph on that. And here is one more BioSketch which you have to write. I am giving you the information of Ruskin Bond. Born, his date of birth is 19 May 1934 at Kasauli. After that, you are going to write about his schooling. Bishop Cotton School in Shimla, where he graduated in 1950. What is his profession? He is an author and a poet. Then you can come to his works. Our trees still grew in Tehra. This is the name of one of his works. A flight of pigeons. The blue umbrella. Genre. What kind of works he's accustomed to write? Fiction, short stories, novella, travelogue, books for children. Influenced by. He is influenced by Charles Dickens, Mark Twain. They are the English poets, English writers. Awards. He has won many awards like Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Sahitya Akademi Award, etc.